Imagine you need to prepare a professional presentation, but you're not a designer and PowerPoint templates feel limited. In this video, I will explain how ExpertSlides help solve this problem, who it's designed for, and how you can get started. ExpertSlides is a PowerPoint add-in that integrates directly into Microsoft PowerPoint and provides professional design slides, icons, images, and layout tools. Once installed, ExpertSlides appears inside PowerPoint. Users can browse slide layouts, insert visuals, and instantly adjust designs to match their presentation theme. ExpertSlides is designed for students, professionals, consultants, trainers, and teams who want clean, professional presentation without spending hours on design. To use ExpertSlides, users need the Microsoft PowerPoint desktop application. This is important because the free web version does not support add-ins. This video is focused on understanding how ExpertSlides works and where it fits. Future tutorials can cover hands-on workflows and advanced use cases.